is a little bit shy, not as shy as the aleph, but it is a shy letter. If it's at the end of a word, it has no pronunciation, it's silent. But it likes to be together with the other letters, so we allow it to be at the end, but it doesn't have to be pronounced. So in line 11, for example, Maria, how would we pronounce this word?
Ava.
Well done. Together all, ava.
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 Beautiful. Next.
Ba.
Well done. Together, ba'a.
Ba'a.
Ba.
Beautiful. Next. Don't be shy, Margaret, if you know it.
Bada.
No contributions from the experts. Let the beginners figure it out.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Well done, Louisa. Together, all bada.
Baga.
Well done. Next, kindly. Well done, Margaret. A little louder.
Gada.
Daga.
Well done. Daga.
Daga.
Well done. Well done. Very nice, Louisa. Excellent work, all of you. Continue, please.
Have.
Had. Have.
Yes, very good. Hava.
Hava.
Very nice. And lastly,
Ha.
we need to hear the vet at the end.
Had.
There you go.
Had.
It's a vet sound, the V sound, have.
Have.
Nice. Okay, let's keep going. We're almost to our Vav. Let's relax with line 6. This one should be just two letter combinations. Line 6, kindly.
Head.
Right, Haid. Very good, Haid.
Hey.
Very good. Next.
Aid.
Well done. Everybody got that one at the same time. Aid. Next.
Aid. Egg.
Well done. Haid. Next.
Aid. Aid.
Nice. Aid. I heard the Dalit very well, Louisa. Next.
Aid. Aid.
So make sure that, there you go. And let me hear Louisa. Haid.
Head.
There you go. Very nice. Continue all.
Aid.
Well done.
Aid.
Well done. Aid. Next.
Aid.
Well done. Louisa got that one in first, Maria. She beat you. And the last one.
Aid.
Well done. Okay, it's Maria 2, Louisa 2, Margaret 2. So it's a tie right now. Let's not skip too many because every line really gives us a special opportunity to reinforce something. And we don't have to be in too big of a hurry. The important thing is to get a good foundation at the beginning. And everybody does have that good foundation. And that's very exciting, and congratulations on that. So having said that, let's keep going with line 10, kindly. So I noticed that there's a little bit of a trick. Let's take a look at the alphabet real quick again. If I can find it. Here we go. Louisa, take a look at the vet, and take a look at the Dalit. I can see that they're somewhat similar because of the roof and the wall. They both have a roof and a wall. But how is the Dalit and the vet different, Louisa? How would you tell them apart, the Dalit and the vet?
it is like cup, but the bread it is like cup, but the dialect doesn't look like a cup. It's straight
Uh-huh.
and
You say it looks like a cuff. Did you say the vet looks like a cuff?
yes, it's the bread.
Yeah, they do look right.
Where
Yeah.
it's only two sides.
Right. So the dalet, how about the dalet? How is the dalet unique? So I'm not sure if you're thinking about the answer or if we lost the audio, but my main hope was that we distinguish between the bet and the dalet, so that when we look at the worksheet, we have in line 7, or rather, I think we were on line 10. Let's start again, Louisa, on line 10, if I still have your connection. Yeah, I still do.
Yes.
Okay, line 10 kindly.
Av,
Well done, Av. Continue.
av,
Nice,
gav,
good.
have,
Careful of your vowel.
found,
There you go. Have, right. Next,
av,
careful about the vowel.
a, hey,
So it's the ave, there you go, ave.
have,
There you go. And be careful, there's a tendency to make a ha, like a hey sound, but the aleph is a, like a, not hey.
a,
There you go. Now we have the hey.
hey, hey,
Haid. Let me hear that dalet. Haid.
head,
Very nice. Very nice. Continue.
head, head,
So again, make sure it's an a, not a hey. Aid.
eight,
Well done. Now you can make your hey.
head,
Nice. Don't be shy about the letter haid. Just so I know that you've got the combination, but we're on a roll here. Our goal is to bring in 2-syllable words now. Let's take a look at line 10 kindly. Are we all together? Did everybody freeze out on me? Looks
yes,
like everybody's on. Let's, we're looking at line 10. This is a right, very good, Margaret, daga. And the way we break this down, Louisa and Maria, is we look for the open syllable and we look for the closed syllable. So the open syllable is the dalet plus the kamats, da. And then we pronounce the next syllable, the gimel and the hey, ga. So we get daga.
daga,
Nice.
daga,
Daga. And again, the hey is silent at the end. Let's try the next one, please.
bada,
Well done. And don't be shy about the second syllable. Bada.
bada,
There you go. That's Hebrew. Well done. Next one.
ava,
Together all. Ava.
ava,
Nice. Continue. Well done all. Well done, Margaret, Louisa, and Maria once, please.
Ba'a.
Beautiful. Ba'a. Next.
Haba.
Together all. Hava.
Haba.
Hava.
Beautiful. Very nice. And lastly,
Ba.
Ba.
well done. Let us rest with that line. That took us all the way to the letter hey and 2-syllable words. And the introduction of the seirei from last time, but still the seirei was relatively new. But very, very good work and very, very good foundation. And again, I'm so thrilled that we have a good connection with everybody today. Let me invite Joseph and Gideon to unmute now, and Louisa, Maria, and Margaret, you can mute your audio now and enjoy the last bit of the lesson, which is something a little bit different today, guys. If I think I actually have to bring it in. Bear with me for a second. Every class, or most classes, we're looking at Hebrew roots. The Hebrew roots are 3-letter combinations, 3 Hebrew letters in combination. And there are hundreds of Hebrew roots. And these hundreds of roots form literally hundreds of thousands of Hebrew words. So mastering Hebrew is largely about learning these Hebrew roots. If you can get your mind wrapped around the Hebrew roots, then the Hebrew language opens up to you like a flower blooming. And the root we looked at yesterday was Yud Sadi Resh. And typically, Joseph, we'll use kamatz and patach to pronounce the roots. So in this case, how would we pronounce this root, brother?
Ya. Yatsar. Yatsar.
Beautiful, beautiful, Yatsar. And the Yud Sadi Resh Yatsar means to form. And actually, we learned yesterday that it's used in the book of Genesis to talk about how God formed the animals and how God formed the human beings. But our point today is to understand all of the words that come from Yatsar, that are derived from Yatsar. And we're just going to read down the list, and then we're going to start translating. Gideon, could you give us the first derivative from Yatsar?
Yetzer.
Yetzer. That means the inclination. And in Jewish tradition, we have what's known as the Yetzer HaTov and the Yetzer Hara, the good inclination and the bad inclination, or the evil inclination. Joseph, how about the next word, kindly?
Yesira.
Let's be careful with our tzadi. Very good work. Let's be careful with the tzadi, like cats. Nice.
Yetzira.
Very nice. And accent is on the last syllable. Yetzira. And it means formation. How about the next word? This is a little tricky. I think at one point in our studies, we learned that the yud disappears and it can be replaced by a cholam.
Not Sri.
Note 3 means Christian. How about the next word, Gideon?
Nitzer.
Nitzer. And nitzer means how about the next one, Joseph?
Yutsar.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well done. Yutsar means was or has been created. How about the next one, Gideon?
Hotsar.
Careful with your vowel.
Hussar.
Yeah,
Hutsar, yes.
very
Sorry.
nice. Was formed. How about the next one, Joseph?
Sur.
Very good. And this has several meanings. It means a picture or a rock or a drawing.
There is some noise from Giddy.
No,
that from
no,
Giddy?
no, no. It's
No?
not from my side.
Oh,
Well, we've just got a few words left. We'll be okay. How about the next one, Gideon?
Surah.
Very nice. And that means a picture. How about the next one, Joseph?
Sierra.
Very good. Together, sier.
Sierra.
Sierra.
That means that's a verb, to draw. And finally, Gideon, the last word.
Sayar.
Right.
Sayar.
Sierra.
A painter or an artist. So you get a sense of how many words derive out of the Yud Sadi Resh Shorish. And we'll continue this exploration as we advance in our studies, and we'll be doing many different things with the roots. But I think also for our newer learners to discover the amazing roots of Hebrew is a big part of the learning of the Hebrew language. So congratulations on discovering this anew as well. You guys, it's a beautiful class today. We had great connections and great participation. I'm so grateful and so excited to see the progress of all of our learners. Again, Louisa, stay safe in Nigeria with elections. Maria, stay safe in Indianapolis.
Yeah, you gotta be safe these days.
You gotta be safe. It's great.